Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about SAP Fiori. So SAP Fiori is a new user experience UX for SAP software and applications, and it provides a set of applications that are used in regular business functions like work approvals, financial apps, calculation apps, and various self-service apps. SAP Fiori provides 300 plus role-based applications like HR, manufacturing, finance, etc. And when you open the SAP Fiori homepage application, you will see a picture of the flowers. It is because Fiori means flowers in Italian. So we have manufacturing, sales, finance, human resources, supply chain, R&D, engineering, asset management, and procurement. So SAP Fiori provides all business roles in real time on compatible hand devices, and it offers business roles on easy to use functions, simple with unmatched responsiveness on desktop, smartphones, and tablets. SAP Fiori enables multiple device applications that allow users to start a process on their desktop and laptops and to continue that process on a smartphone or a tablet. SAP has developed Fiori apps based on user interface UI 5 for tablets, then desktops and laptops and smartphones. So when SAP Fiori is combined with the power of the SAP HANA, it provides an unmatched application response and query execution time. And SAP Fiori user experience UX is used to provide a personalized and role-based user experience for enterprise-wide engagement across lines of business. So how SAP Fiori was born? So when a research was conducted, it was found that most of the SAP users use SAP user interface to access the applications, and these included common applications related to manager-employee interactions such as leave request, travel request, etc. And these GUI had more than 300,000 screens with various functions in it. So SAP checked the most frequently used application and then decided to renew these applications. And this is how SAP Fiori was born. So SAP Fiori design principles. So there are 5 design principles for SAP Fiori UI 5. And these principles make SAP Fiori simple and decompose the different transactions into simple task-based UI applications. So role based. So SAP has decomposed various SAP transactions and changed them into beautiful user interactive applications that show only most relevant information to the users. Responsiveness. So when SAP Fiori is combined with the power of SAP HANA, it provides an unmatched application response and query execution time. Simple. To make SAP Fiori simple to match the user demand, SAP has designed it as a 1-1-3 scenario, and this means 1 user, 1 use case, and 3 screens. Seamless experience, and SAP has provided all the Fiori apps based on the same language, and it does not matter on the deployment and the platform. Delightful. So SAP Fiori was designed to work with ECC 6.0 to make it easy for the users and to deploy on the existing SAP system. So SAP Fiori apps, role-based responsiveness, simple, seamless experience, and delightful. So SAP Fiori apps. SAP Fiori apps are divided into 3 categories, and they are distinguished on the basis of their function and infrastructure requirement. Transactional apps, fact sheets, and analytical apps. So transactional apps. So the most important features of transactional apps are: the first release of SAP Fiori included 25 transactional apps. And transactional apps in SAP Fiori are used to perform transactional tasks like a manager-employee transaction such as leave request, travel request, etc. And transactional apps run best on SAP HANA database but can be deployed with any database with acceptable performance. And these apps allow a user to run simple transactions on the mobile devices as well as desktops or laptops. Example, leave request, travel request and purchase order. Then fact sheets. So the important features of a fact sheet are: fact sheets are used to drill the key information and contextual information in business operations, and in SAP Fiori tiles you can drill down to further details. It also allows you to navigate one fact sheet to all its related fact sheets. And fact sheets also allow you to navigate to transactional apps to run SAP transactions. A few fact sheets also provide an integration option for geographical maps. And you can call fact sheets from Fiori Launchpad search results, from other fact sheets, or from transactional or analytical apps. So fact sheets only run on SAP HANA database and also require an ABAP stack, and they cannot be ported to SAP HANA Live Tier 2 architecture. So example, there is a fact sheet tab with the sender objects having details about a vendor contract, and you can drill down to further details like vendor details, contract terms, item details, etc. Then analytical apps. So analytical apps are used to provide role-based real-time information about the business operations. And analytical apps integrate the power of SAP HANA with SAP Business Suite, and it provides real-time information from large volume of data in front-end web browser. So using analytical apps you can closely monitor key performance indicator KPIs, and you can perform complex aggregations and calculations of your business operations and react immediately as per changes in the market condition. SAP Fiori analytical apps run on SAP HANA database and use virtual data models. Then SAP Fiori apps for finance and GL accounts payable, and SAP Fiori apps for human resource. Then SAP UX strategy. So user experience UX is basically about an overall experience that a person has while using any product, a website or an application, and the application may be on either a mobile device, tablet or a desktop or laptop. So user experience should be simple to use so that users can achieve their goals easily and interact with SAP system. And user experience comprises of right balance of technology, business needs and desirability. And UX strategy is basically about the following three design principles: technology, business and human values. So SAP UX strategy consists of three components. New provides a consumer grid user experience for the new applications, that is all the applications which are yet to build, and renew is applied to the existing applications. And enable is to provide a customer an ability to improve user experience of an SAP software to allow them to decide which business scenario is critical for them. So the prerequisites to learn SAP Fiori are the ABAP program and objects, HTML5, JavaScript, SAP UI5, ERP implementation experience, OData and SAP NetWeaver Gateway and SAP HANA. So this was a brief introduction on SAP Fiori, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.